Surging cases, mask mandates, sporting events canceled. That may sound like the early days of the pandemic, but they are all happening right now.
Health experts say it's in part due to what they're calling breakthrough cases. CBS 2's John Diaz joins us live from Yankee Stadium with more. John?
Good morning, both of you. Well, the Yankees had to postpone their game yesterday due to COVID. This is actually the 8th MLB game that had to be pushed back this season due to the coronavirus. Of course, fans, they were upset yesterday, many of them telling us they did not see this coming. This morning, there's growing COVID concern over what medical experts are calling breakthrough cases when fully vaccinated people contract the virus. A prime example, the Yankees and Red Sox game was postponed abruptly yesterday, the first MLB game to be delayed due to COVID since April 19th.
I guess there's going to be bumps in the road.
I'm very sad. We came from Los Angeles just to be here.
Yankees GM Brian Cashman says that 3 players tested positive and 3 others are likely infected. About 85% of the team is vaccinated, including those who have the virus.
But it does not prevent contracting COVID. It just, I think, lessens those effects. So we are still vulnerable as the population is to obviously experiencing COVID.
Some doctors argue that these breakthrough cases highlight a blatant issue with data collection. The CDC reported roughly 10,000 breakthrough cases among the more than 157 million fully vaccinated Americans between January and April 30th of this year. Since then, the CDC stopped tracking mild breakthrough cases and only follows ones that result in hospitalization or death. Meanwhile, the U.S. Surgeon General is warning that false misinformation about vaccinations has become an urgent threat to public health.
2/3 of people who are not vaccinated either believe common myths about the COVID-19 vaccine or think some of those myths might be true. We must confront misinformation as a nation. Lives are depending on it.
And in the U.S., just about every state is seeing a spike, in part due to the dangerous Delta variant. It's so bad in California, Los Angeles County is about to bring back its indoor mask mandate for everyone, including the vaccinated.
We see in areas of low vaccination very high case rates.
And back out here at Yankee Stadium, still no word yet on when exactly that game will be rescheduled. And experts this morning, they're continuing to urge everyone and remind everyone that the Pfizer and the Moderna vaccines, they are still more than 90% effective at preventing new COVID-19 infections. We're live this morning from outside Yankee Stadium here in the Bronx. John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
John, thank you.